In this bonus module, I am going to show you how to create a professional looking logo for free using an online tool called Canva. Now down the road, you might want to hire a professional web designer to create a logo for you, but if you're just starting off, a lot of times a custom logo isn't in the budget, so this is a great DIY option. So head on over to canva.com. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to create an account. Once your account is created, log in up at the top right of the screen. After you log in, you'll see a header at the top that says Create Design, and it has several different templates that you can use. Go ahead and click on the logo template, which is the third from the left. On the left-hand side of the screen, if you scroll down, you'll see many layouts that you can use for your logo. I'm going to show you how I created the logo for my demo site, but feel free to try different layouts until you find one that works for you. A couple of tips to keep in mind here. First, the Divi theme has a rectangular space for the logo, so you probably want to avoid anything that is square or really tall. Also keep in mind how long or short the title of your site is and whether or not you want to add a short tagline. Basically, you want to find logos that are already set up to work well for the text that you are trying to input and for the theme that you're using for your website. I'm going to scroll down until I find the template that I want to use for my logo. Once I find the template, I click on it, and it will show up on the right-hand side of my screen where I can edit it. I'm going to go ahead and type in the text that I want to display, which is Ann Doe on the top line and Virtual Assistant on the bottom line. You can see that when I type in the title of my site, it's a little too long. It's spilled over onto a second line, which I don't want. So I'm going to select that text and decrease the font size a little bit by using the font editing tools at the top. And you can see there's a lot of things you can play with these text tools. You can change the font face, size, color, you can make it bold or italic. And when you really start to play around, you can also add things to your logo like shapes, backgrounds, and images. But if you're just starting off, I recommend sticking with the template and not going too crazy. The goal here is to get something that's professional and that works well for your brand, but keep in mind that this can always be changed down the road. You can always use a new template from Canva, or you can hire a designer if your budget allows. Once you have your logo ready, you want to download it so that you can use it on your website. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the Download button. For file type, select a PNG, also known as a PNG file. This ensures that your logo has a transparent background. Then save the file to your computer. Now if you open your logo from your Downloads folder, you'll see the PNG file. But you'll notice that it's rather large and there's a lot of extra white space here that I'd like to get rid of. So I'm going to show you how to very easily crop this logo in WordPress. Let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Media and click Add New. Then click Select Files to select the file that you just downloaded from Canva. Once the file has uploaded, click on the little edit link on the right-hand side of your screen. Below the image, you'll see the Edit Image button. Go ahead and click on that. All you need to do is drag your mouse to draw a rectangle around your logo, and then you can use these little sizing buttons in the corners and on the top and sides of your rectangle to select the area that you want to crop. Once you have that area selected, click on this little crop icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Once you click that, you can see that your new cropped logo appears, and all you need to do is click Save. And that's it. You now have a nice cropped logo ready for use. If you need to download the logo, just right-click and choose Save Image As to save the logo to your computer.